ladies, it's Allison, and I'm kind of embarrassed because I've been telling you for like a year, seriously, it's been a year, that I'm gonna do a hair tutorial, and I have never gotten around to it. So I know I've teased it so many times over and over again, but I promise you today, I'm finally gonna do one. And the funny thing about it is I just got these bangs cut about 2 months ago, I guess. It's been about 2 months now. And I haven't really been fixing my bangs down. So if you've seen my lives and stuff lately, I've had them pinned up all the time. Well, there's a reason for that because I got my brows microbladed. See my fresh new microbladed brows? So I was trying to keep my bangs off of them while they healed. And I've had so many questions about my bangs, if I love them, if I hate them. I'm going to answer all those questions today. If you have any other questions you want to ask me, please ask them in the comments. For those of you who don't know me, I am Allison, and I'm the creator of the Get Your Pretty On blog. And it is a style blog for moms, real budgets, real bodies. I am a mom of 3. I'm a recovering yoga pants addict, although I still spend way more time in my yoga pants than I probably should. I'm also addicted to striped shirts, and I have like 10 in my closet. So yes, we have 3 kids, 3 dogs, 2 cats, a horse, and 2 goats. So we love our critters too. And Paisley, our cat, is wandering around here. I just know she's gonna jump up and try to get on camera at any moment. But anyway, I wanted to show you a little bit of versatility with my bangs and some different styles that I can do with them. And I'm gonna be heat styling them. So I'm gonna start out by spraying my hair right now because I want it to dry with Launch Heat Shield, Rival Heat Shield. And this protects up to 450 degrees. So if you heat style a lot, then I highly recommend using a protector on your hair. I do every day. So the thing is, I have naturally curly hair and I wear it straight most of the time, especially since I have my bangs now. And what I usually do is I will just take my straightener and I'll touch my hair up. The straightener that I'm going to be using today is from Lange. It is the La Rev, and it's so pretty. I love how it's pink and rose gold. But anyway, yeah, so back to my hair. I like to touch it up every day because I work out 3 times a week and it gets super sweaty. I only wash my hair twice a week. So you can imagine that doesn't bode well. But what I usually do is I'll just pull it back in a ponytail, maybe pin my bangs back. And then whenever I get home from the gym, which I just did a little while ago, I'll just take my straightener and touch up the pieces that are kind of wonky. So you can see right here, I've got some wonky pieces. I had my hair back today and it got pretty sweaty. So what I usually do is just go through those couple pieces and just touch them up. And I try to stick to the hair around my face. I don't want to do my whole head every day, but I just touch up those pieces. It makes it super easy. It's one less thing to worry about. I love that I can get away with this because I hate fixing my hair over and over again throughout the week. And the nice thing is that it's like I do one blowout and I don't have to worry about it anymore. So dry shampoo is my friend. All right, so if you are on the fence about bangs, let me tell you that it's a roller coaster of emotions. You're going to walk out of the salon on cloud 9. It's going to be the best day of your life. And then you're going to get home and look in the mirror and you're going to say, what did I do? That is exactly what happened with me. So the cool thing about them is that there's a little bit of a learning curve before you really, start to get into the groove of styling them on your own. And also I should mention that you're going to have to get them trimmed up every couple of weeks. Mine need trimmed right now. They're a little bit longer than I want them to be. They keep coming down into my eyes. But once you do get into the groove of fixing them, the cool thing is you have so much versatility with them. Like I can pull my hair up in a ponytail like this and let them down. I can do like a little curtain thing like this and move them to either side. I can even swoop them all to the one side like that, or I can pin them back. And the nice thing is I can wear my hair straight like I have it today, or I can curl it. And I'm gonna be showing you something today that I just learned. All right, so full disclosure, I'm not good at doing hair. My poor daughters have always wanted me to French braid. I watch every tutorial on YouTube. I sit down with them, I try to do it, and hand to God, I ended up in tears one time because I felt like a failure as a mom. How crazy is that? But because I couldn't French braid hair. So it's always been a struggle for me. I really pay attention to how my stylist does my hair, and that totally helps me figure it out on my own. I have to watch and learn and watch tutorials over and over again. So it's kind of scary for me because I'm trying a new technique with you today. I'm gonna be doing flat iron waves and curls. I've just started doing this. It's awesome. When I go to my stylist and she does my hair, she always uses the flat iron when she's doing it. So I wanted to be able to do this on my own, and I've been practicing, so I'm going to show you guys a technique for doing this. And the cool thing about this Lange Le Rêve straightener is it comes in this pretty box, and right inside this box they give you instructions. See, I need tutorials. So you can do either curls or waves with it. And for curls, the instructions are to grip your hair section with a straightener about halfway down the strand. Wind the straightener 1.5 times around it in the desired direction of the curl. Hold for a moment, gently release, and pull down through the hair, removing the curls slowly without unraveling it. So that's what I'm going to be trying out for you today. So yes, I've got my protector in my hair. I am ready to go. If you don't have a clippy, clippies are amazing. Have you guys tried doing flat iron curls? Anybody? Have you guys tried this before? And maybe I'm just like late to the game. I usually am, but yeah, so I'm gonna give this a whirl today and show you. So I use my straightener on the 410-degree setting. So you can see there's a little digital display right here that shows what the temperature setting is on here. It heats up super fast, which I love because I'm usually like, some of my tools that I have take forever to heat up, and I'll be trying to get ready in 5 minutes and run into the next thing. Like I have to go pick the kids up from school or whatever, and it takes forever for it to heat up. So this thing is like hot immediately. It has an auto shut off, which is awesome because I forget things too. We all forget things. It's mom brain, right? So I love that about it too. But anyway, it is on sale, and you can get it through the link in my caption. So definitely check that out. It's on sale while supplies last. I do know that they sell out of these, so make sure that you get yours if you want to get one. There are a few things I really love about this straightener, and one of them is that I can get in really close to my head for straightening, which is great because I always have these little baby hairs up here that just kind of pop out and do this. And I have another straightener, but I just can't seem to get it in as close. And the other thing that I like about this is when I'm doing my hair straight like it is today, I like to have a little bend in the ends. And you can see the straightener makes it super easy to do that. You could also do it stick straight down if you wanted to, but I do like that little bit of a bend in my ends like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the smoothing first, and then we're gonna start the curling. So I'm gonna try to get rid of some of these little bumps that I have in my hair from my workout today. And you can see it just takes them right out. I only have to go one swipe and we're done. I also use this on my bangs because my bangs get really sweaty when I work out too. So I usually just have to touch it up a little bit. Whenever I'm initially doing my hair, I use a blow dryer and a round brush and brush it out, and then I work through in sections at a time, and I take the straightener over each section, and I swear my hair stays frizz-free, which I have super frizzy curly hair, and it stays frizz-free the entire time. So I love that about it. So anyway, I'm going to see, does anybody have any questions? How does Lange compare to Paul Mitchell straighteners? Lange, I'm sure you guys can answer that. I have never tried Paul Mitchell straighteners, so they can probably give you an answer to that. They are on this live as well. Kelly says, Lange has changed my life. My hair has become my best friend. Thank you. That's awesome. There's nothing like a good hair day. I swear. It's like the best feeling ever. Good hair, good makeup, good outfit. It's the trifecta, right? All right, so I'm going to get started on my curls right now. So what I usually do is I will take a section at a time, and I like to just kind of pin my hair up so that I'm able to get back into the layers under here. So we're going to start pinning it up like this, and I already have my heat protector in there. my hair holds curl really, really well, so we're gonna go ahead and just kind of twist, 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 and hold. And the important thing here is that you're gonna wanna keep your ends out. Look at that. It's like perfect. All right, get back in there. I'm on second day hair. I think that my hair personally holds curl a whole lot better whenever I do it second day. And you'll see me kind of run the straightener over it a little bit like this before I get started, because that just makes my curls nice and smooth. All right. Ta-da! Beautiful, beautiful. Let me answer some questions while I'm doing this. Okay, Pamela's saying every time I use a straightener, it gets creases. Interesting. So I think the key with that is to just really do it in one like smooth motion. When you're doing this, and it's funny because I'm doing it in my phone. So it's backwards right now. So forgive me if I look like I'm doing things backwards. All right, and I need to mention to you guys that Lange is going to be giving away one of these straighteners to somebody on this live, so please share. For every 100 shares, they're going to be giving away a straightener, so please be sure that you are sharing. Well, we are on here. I just kind of move it down. You don't have to go all the way to the ends. I think it's more in style right now to leave the ends a little bit straighter. There you go. I like to just kind of take my fingers and make them do what I want them to do. Okay, so what do you do with the bangs when the rest of your hair is curly? That's a great question. So you can do a few things with them. You can either leave them straight like this, or you can do what I said before. Sometimes I pull them back and then just curl the hair around them. Sometimes I push them off to the side, and sometimes I just do the little curtain thing down the middle like this, just to get them out of my eyes a little bit. All right, so more questions. I just bought so many products last night. I would love a straightener to go with the products, Katie said. Awesome, Katie. All right, so the one side of my head is totally different than the other. I don't know if you guys have that or not. Is it because we sleep on one side more? I don't know. It's strange, but true. All right. All right. Jenny says, I shared. Thank you, Jenny. Hopefully you win. And I try to always curl the pieces near my face away, and then do the ones that are in the back of my head. I vary them, so I turn them either way. I'm probably not going to do my whole head right now. But I love how you just kind of move this through like that, and it creates these beautiful curls every time, and they last forever. All right, let's see more questions. Alyssa says, my straightener takes a while to heat. Does this one? No, it does not, Alyssa. It heats up literally within seconds. It's ready. So like I said, sometimes I forget to turn my hot tools on. I'll be like getting in the shower, knowing when to touch my hair up whenever I get out, and with this one, I don't have to worry about that. So I'm struggling so much with doing this backwards. You have no clue. I struggle with hair anyway. And now I'm trying to do it backwards in my phone. I should have just gotten a mirror, right? All right. And you can do these curls as tight or as loose as you want to. Sometimes I just take my little bang area right here, and you can just kind of take that and flip it back a little bit so that it blends in a little bit better. But you can see it just creates these really pretty loose waves, not big curls. Whenever I get all through with it, remember to share. When you share this video, you can qualify to win your own straightener for every share, so please be sharing. And if you're interested, you can also check out the link in the caption because this particular straightener is on sale right now. So what I'm doing right now is I'm using the Lange Satin Nectar Nourishing Gloss. I love this stuff, guys. So what you do is just put like the tiniest amount between your palms, rub them together, and then I just kind of squeeze my curls a little bit. And then I take my fingers in the top of my hair and I fluff it out. And I think I want to just kind of take my bang off to the side like that. And I just have some nice casual loose waves. It didn't take very long at all. It's, you know, they last forever, but my hair will curl really, really well. So keep that in mind. When you have naturally curly hair, that is one of the true benefits of having it. But yeah, I'm going to read through these comments a little bit more. Luann says, Mama needs the La Rev. Yes, you do. Pamela says, cute earrings. Thanks, Pamela. I was going to take those out before I started doing my hair and I totally forgot. I was afraid I was going to burn them, but I didn't. All right. Caitlin says, that gloss is amazing. I love it. I use it every time I straighten my hair. I do too. And I use it even before I do my, like before my hair dries too. So if you're using it, you can put it on before you blow dry. So it is awesome for that as well. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, the La Rev straightener is on sale right now. You can get it through the link in my profile. And also you can get all of these products from Lange as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you guys later. Bye.